So students, I have already told you that you will be getting the Y link and you go through the Y link and you will come to know about the Constitution and its functions. Those are explained there, and after that, once again in the next class, if I'll take civics or I'll teach civics, then I'll tell you. Otherwise, on the day of civics, I will explain you the rest of the chapter or the rest of the topics. So here the questions, 5 questions I'm giving you. You note down all the 5 questions. Those are very easy because right now just now I have explained before you. And write the answers in short. What is Constitution? Question number 1. Question 2. Why we need Constitution? Why we need Constitution? Question 3. How many houses are there in Parliament? How many houses are there in Parliament? Question 4. Who is the head of the nation? Who is the head of the nation? And the last question is, who actually holds the power in our country? Who actually holds the power in our country? So students, this much for today. See you once again. Till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye bye.